So my mom just ordered a package. Let's see what she got. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. My God, why did you always keep like this, Mom? Okay, the last one. Okay. Wow, I love strawberries. So, this is for Keisha. Do you know who it is? You don't know. If you don't know who it is, then I'll show you.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Ah!
Ah!
Super cute.
Yeah. Let's try it on. Okay. You just then still have the tip. Okay, I'll show you. Like putting on the socks.
Oh, it's so cute.
That's so cute. It's matched with the pants. Okay. So, like this is for Okisha. Okay. Hope I will get the same one.